Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and let's find the number you want to edit. Let's tap on it and let's choose this pencil icon right here. Now let's tap on this camera icon, and as you can see, now we can either take a photo and this device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo. And let's pick the one you want to use. And now from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So if you are ready with the results, click on save here. And as you can see, the photo is immediately applied. Let's remember to tap on the stick icon in order to save the contact. And as you can see here, we've got our photo. Now let's get it back. And it also appears on our contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to add photo to a contact in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.